So, bigay natin ng maganda para kay Erica. Okay, for today, we're going to have a tech run and rehearsal of Erica. Erica is there at the dressing room. So, I hope everybody already preempt na bigyan na kayo ng instruction from the team of Miss Fe. So, let's start the tech run. So, everyone guys, look at the program. The first part will be crucial. So, let's make the first part 98% perfect. Okay? Erica, today's your real birthday, right? Okay, let's do that. Sige. So, saan ang daan mo?
Hindi don't need to go to elevator. So doon ka, so saan ka lalabas pag ano? Sure yan. Saan sa natin?
Elevator na lang.
O go.
Paglabas na lang.
Captain, put your hands together for Miss Erica Macy Balampagan! Hold on. Miss Marie, assist you going up. Okay, try natin. Baka hindi mo kaya. Okay. And then harap. Yung pagharap mo magandang harap, anak ha. 1, 2, 3, pa.